God bless you, dear students. So here we are going to learn about the poem Television written by George Bernard Shaw. And before we started the poem, let's know something about the poet. So George Bernard Shaw began his writing career as a critic. He wrote many plays, poems and novels. He tried to bring about positive changes like equal rights for women, equality of all men and so on in the English society in the late 1800s. He received the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1925 and an Oscar for Pygmalion in 1938. So now I am going to recite the poem Television. You know, I sometimes wish I could get in that glass screen surrounded by wood. I would change the programs one by one. No more terror or murder with gun. Political corruption would be no more, with speculators robbing the weak and poor. Terror means extreme fear, and political corruption means corruption happens when leaders who are in power do things that are against the rules. And speculator means in this stanza people who try to make vast sums of money through the money market. Now the next lines. This world of ours I would fill with joy, a brand new start for every girl and boy. Mother Nature would bloom anew, all mankind's dreams would come true. With birds and bees, flowers and trees, with no more poisons on every breeze. The waters in each river and stream would be pure and clear like in my dream. Yes, all the programs on my TV would be specially made for you and me. I would teach the children to love and care, the grown-ups how to help and share. Each job of work that has to be done shall be shared by everyone. There will be no more rich and no more poor on my television, and that's for sure. So here I am going to present the summary of the poem Television. In this poem, the speaker wishes that the television had programs that showed no violence and highlighted only happy things. And the poet wishes to go in that glass screen surrounded by wood where he wants to change the programs because he wishes that everyone should watch the programs without any terror or murder, corruption or speculators, and also he wishes to fill the world with joy by a brand new start for every girl and boy of coming generation. And he wishes the Mother Nature would bloom in a positive way so everybody's dreams come true and birds and beasts, flowers and trees may also flourish, which is the gift of nature. So if there would be no more poison or violence, then according to the poet, the breeze in nature, the water of the river and stream would be pure and clear like his dream. And the poet also says that the programs in television would be specially made for everyone, which would teach the children how to love and care, then teach the grown-ups how to help and share. He wishes that each job that has to be done, there would be no place for selfishness, and on his television he wishes to highlight it only on the happy things for everyone, so there would be no more rich and no more poor. And really it is a nice poem where the speaker wishes that the television had programs that showed no violence and highlighted only the happy things. So, in this way, the poet is hoping that the world will be a better and a happier place in the future. So, okay, now time to display the question answers. Okay, children, your homework is to learn the word meaning and also learn and write the question answers in your notebook. So, in the next video, we will meet with the next chapter. Till then, enjoy and study well. All the best.